Hello, let's learn colors name. Yellow color, orange color, blue color, dark green color, mustard color, brown color, light green color, red color. Let's do alphabets. Mustard color, A. A is for apple. Orange color, B. B is for bat. Blue color, C. C is for cat. Dark green color, D. D is for doll. Yellow color, E. E is for egg. Red color, F. F is for frog. G. G is for grapes. H. H is for horse. I. I is for ice cream. J. J is for jug. K. K is for kite. L. L is for lamp. M. M is for monkey. N. N is for nose. O. O is for orange. P is for peacock. Q is for quilt. R. R is for rat. S. S is for star. T. T is for tap. U. U is for urn. V. V is for violin. W is for watermelon. X is for xylophone. Y is for yak. Z is for zebra. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So thanks for watching my video and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Take care. Bye bye.